Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox this package from Lazca Skateshop. Lazca Skateshop. And it's all something from Red River Ramps and Lazca Skateshop stuff. So I'm going to unbox it. Pretty excited for this, and this some of them. And no more stuff here. There's no more. And here's the bike reel from Lazca Skateshop. What? Lazca Skateshop. Pretty awesome thing that it comes with non-slider and awesome reel. This like awesome. Yeah, and go on to this. The shipping take pretty short very short time because it gave me like 2 days from Lazca Skateshop, and as usual Black River take a long time to send it to here in Malaysia, so my brothers, they ordered it all, so but some of them are my stuff, and we ordered 2 sets of Black River trucks and 1 Bollywood deck anchor black and 1 Lazca bike rail. Not sure if this bike rail is from Lazca. What? Fuck. Oh, excited. Shit, this. Okay. So there's it. Okay. The super first thing is Bollywood black anchor, white shape, and this is Marcus. What's this? Marcus Mindigal, I think so, with vertical flip nose grind at the back. Check here. Okay, at the back. So awesome stuff. Black River. More stuff. I'm not going to open this box because this is not mine, and this is belong to my brothers. And yeah. Oh my god. Show you. Sticker. Lazca Skateshop. That's so good. Oh my god. Black River sheen. Black River stickers. Black River. Fingerboarding ruined my life. Bollywood green. Black River truck. Bollywood. And yeah, Black River Ramps. Oh my god. The best product of the world. In the world. And this is and one are mine and one more is my brother. And oh my god, Black River Trucks 2.0 white shape, not white shape, 32mm white. First time having this pretty awesome thing, and the logo. Oh my god. Yeah, nothing in there. At the back. Here's the diamond. Black River tools and some stickers, and this is the manual, and oh my, we also packaging 32mm wide, and it came with the lock nut system, which is included in the 2.0. So yeah guys, awesome unboxings, stickers, Winkle Wheel stickers, Redwood Ram stickers. Okay guys, thanks for watching my unboxings of stuff from Black River Rams, and here there. Okay. And guys, check out my brother's Army Rubber Boy with his YouTube account. Fingerboarding ruined my life. Not fingerboard, sorry. Fingerboard till the end. And I'm going to put the link down below, and Black River Drive's link, and Lazca Skateshop Facebook page. Link down below. So okay guys, thanks for check out my other video, and thanks for watching this unboxing, and please subscribe, comment, like, share just to know my video. Okay, thanks for watching guys, bye.